We are here at Stillwater Resort. This is a very big room. I wasn't expecting it this big of a room. So this is outside of Branson, Missouri, right next to Silver Dollar City. We got a washer and dryer, we got a regular fridge. This is what I expected. We went to Marco Island and we definitely did not get. So wow, it is huge. And then a nice sitting area, and then look in our bedroom, lights. Okay, that's not the light, that's the fan. How did we turn these lights on? There we go. Oh my God. Look at this bathtub. I was not expecting that. I know what I'm doing tonight. A little sitting area. Hello, huge king bed. Wow. So believe it or not, this room is amazing. This is what we should have had in Marco Island. Yeah. This room is amazing. And this is, what'd you say, $150 a night?
I didn't say that.
Oh.
I said it was something.
All right. Robert's crabby. And then this is Table Rock Lake.
Where's our paperwork
at? In one of the bags. One of the grocery bags.
Okay. I was just wondering if that tells me, that would tell me what the price was. I don't remember.
I'm just walking through because this is so nice. There is a room. There, $150 a night.
And then the thing is though, because we stayed less than 3 nights, they hit us with a one-time $20 activity fee.
Activity fee?
Yeah, which I don't like, but it's better than 20 a day, I guess.
So
that wasn't something I really paid attention to.
So we're staying here for 2 reasons. 1, location to Silver Dollar City, and 2, because Robert wanted to go fishing on Table Rock Lake. We have stayed here at Stillwater before. It was a lot smaller room. And the only reason, and another reason why this place gets pretty bad complaints is because it technically has, what do you call it, condo? What do you call that? Timeshares.
Timeshare.
And so they pressure you a lot into trying to come to their timeshare, 90-minute talk, and you'll get like $100 off your room rate. And then it turns into being like 2.5 hours. It's never the 90 minutes that they say it's going to be. And we don't do timeshares. And we just don't. We have sat down a long time ago when we had a lot less income.
What's he doing?
He's just right there.
I might start throwing salami at him.
Anyway, back in the day when we didn't have that much money at all, we sat through a couple timeshare talks just for the free benefits, and definitely they pressure you hardcore. And if they say it's going to be a 60-minute talk, expect it to be a 2-hour talk. A 90-minute talk, expect it to be a 3-hour talk. So that kind of not always the best situation. So I definitely do not recommend sitting through a timeshare unless you really want the benefits. And this had a shower too. Shower and a bathtub. Very nice. And they have pools here, and they're heated, and I did not bring our swimsuits because it's the beginning of October. This is Missouri. All the normal pools are closed. I forgot that they had heated pools here. It doesn't matter. We don't really have time to swim anyway. We have things that we plan to do, so swimming doesn't really fit into the timetable. But anyway, this is Stillwater Resort. I'll try to walk around later and do some more video to give you a general idea because they do actually have a lot of amenities, and you could take it'll take a shuttle to downtown Branson. During peak season, traffic can get pretty backed up. They got like a basketball room, game room, the pool, 3 different pools, the marina. So there's a couple things to do. They're definitely trying to turn this into like a destination thing. Like this enchanted rainforest is what they're calling the new building. I don't know. Or that's what they want you to tour. I don't have time for timeshare talks. So yeah, that it is what it is. I'm trying to keep an open mind. It's got a lot of bad reviews lately, but what I'm seeing so far, it looks awfully nice. A lot of people complain that the rooms are like dirty and stuff, but
Very nice.
This room looks extremely nice, extremely clean.
They didn't have a washer and dryer in the last
No,
one.
there was not a washer and dryer in the last one. So we did come in at 3 and our room wasn't ready. And check-in's not till 5. And they're like, oh, we'll text you as soon as the room is ready. And it's fine. And we went back to Branson and went to an arcade and went to the store. And then it's fine. I go in, I'm like, it's 5. Is our rooms, when's it gonna be ready? Oh, it's ready. I'm like, well, no one texted us. Oh yeah, we texted you at 3:30. I'm like, trust me, we didn't get a text. Frustrating, but what are you gonna do? It's fine. I had fun at the arcade. Yeah, I know. I mean, you know, we are country here, so the cell phone reception is probably not the best.
I'm not country.
No, you're not country, but I'm saying we're in the middle of the country. You are definitely not. Look at his. See, this is how not country is. Does anybody know what this V stands for? That's his life. If you understand what that stands for. We did stop by the Disney store. So the Disney store, if you know anything about Disney, in the last 6 months or in the last year, they've closed the majority of their stores. I think they're now down to only 25 Disney stores open in the US. And St. Louis had 2 of them, and they were all closed by September 15th. The one in Branson is still open. They did have a couple good deals, so I did get a couple things for me and a couple things to resell, because you know I'm a reseller on eBay, so it worked out. That'll help pay a couple dinner receipts. And yeah, I've rambled enough. I'll walk around later before it gets dark to show you the grounds. We'll stop by the game room. They actually have a couple more food options here. They have a couple food trucks, like a taco truck and a barbecue truck, and then they have a what is it called? Like a general store. What are you looking for, honey? They have a general store. Nothing like huge, but enough to get by. We don't feel like driving back to town because Branson is about a 25-minute drive. So we did pick up a couple groceries at the grocery store, and we're just gonna eat here tonight because tomorrow is Silver Dollar City. I still can't get over this tub. I am so happy about this tub. I love when we stay in places that have a nice tub like this. And the view of the lake is beautiful. Like I said, we stayed here before. Sometimes we have good experiences, sometimes we have bad experiences. We'll see how it goes. There's a door right next to ours. Like this is like room 27, and then there's a 27B, and there was a lady opening her door at the same time, and she's like, oh, we're neighbors. I'm like, do you got kids? She's like, yeah, I got 2 kids, but they're teenagers. Okay, hopefully they're not loud teenagers. Robert's putting all of our luggage away. I can't believe how nice this room is.
Very nice.
All right, here is one of the pools. This one does not have water. Oh, it does have water in it. It's very low. What? Okay, it's closed for the season. That makes more sense. Okay, hold on. Okay. This is our building. We're in F. There's a whole bunch of buildings. Robert's freaking out because why did they not tell us some of the pools were closed? That guy acted like all the pools are open. There's a mini golf course. There's a much bigger pool on the other side.
Oh, you can play golf.
Let me see. Oh my God. We can't. Now I understand why there was an orange golf ball over in front of our door.
Somebody was being a fool.
Someone was not very good at this golf. That's cool. We can play mini golf. All right. And there's a squirrel because it's Missouri. And let's go back to the road over here.
They actually weren't bees, they were yellow jackets.
Yellow jackets?
Yeah, you don't wanna mess with them.
Thank you for saving me. So anyway, that pool is closed. They did not mention that at check-in. They acted like all the pools are open. There's one big pool on the other side. I know for sure the other one's heated. It's a very nice pool, but not doing that today. I was looking for, there's an ice machine. There's no ice machines marked on the map, so I'm a little confused by that. So they're walking over to the big pool. We're gonna go over to this game room right here. I'll be back. I'll be right back. Okay, so this game room is connected. Oh my God, there is a pool, pumpkin. This game room is connected to this pool, which is open because I just saw a lady in a swimsuit walk to it. Just do a quick walkthrough, see if they got any good games here. So, token machine. Oh, good classic token machine. They got a claw machine. And they got a dinosaur.
How does that work?
Oh, it's just a vending one.
Oh.
You just get an egg no matter what. Here's another claw machine. Remember, it used to be like a chicken.
I want that dinosaur. That one right there.
What?
What is that? Pufferfish or what is it?
Kind of looks like a dragon.
All right.
And so then tokens. I actually do have some dollar bills. I might come back and play a couple games. Classic horse out at grocery store. Oh my God, look at this old ski ball. And then look at this Ripley's Believe It or Not. That's a good one. Oh man, this is really
It's got a
cool.
shrunken head in there too.
Oh, it does have a shrunken head in there.
And that's Robert.
I got some ones in my purse. We'll come back and get some tokens.
That is nice.
That is very cool. And then Big Buck. Oh. And I don't know what Tekken is. Pac-Man. Oh, look at this, Robert. They got an old style coin pusher.
Holy moly.
It's only one token. Oh, that's right, because you're trying to get it to push forward. To just win more tokens to play at the arcade.
Recorded.
For sure.
Record them, record you.
There.
There.
And then this, wow, they got tons of prizes on this playing field.
They're good ones too.
Someone needs to restock this one.
That's a nice butterfly.
And
Oh, they have
then-
a royals. Come on now.
Here you can see the pool over there. There's a hot tub and a regular pool. This one's small. This is not the bigger one. They still have a huge pool. And this is the one where, yeah, you automatically win. You always win a ball. So one of these balls drop this way to win the bonus. I think you always win the ball. I think that's the idea. Yeah, we're gonna try this later. I'm gonna go get some cash. Okay, I don't think these are winnable, honey. That's just like they're showing off.
Yeah, but
They-
there's a big one right there.
a Casey button? I don't know.
Yeah, KC Royals.
I mean, maybe, I don't know what's
Maybe.
going on. Wait, I see what you're saying. Like, it's a conveyor belt
Yeah.
where these prizes should be put on.
What?
It's her. It's the fun ball lady wanting you to... Or who is it? Who's making noise? Who is making... No. I don't know who it
It's
is.
that machine.
Yeah, but that's basketball. It
I
doesn't
know.
make sense that it would be making a
Press
horse
the button, see
galloping
what it does.
noise. Oh.
Making a sound.
Oh my God, this place is haunted. Okay, it was just a guy leaving. It makes more sense. I'm like,
Oh,
man.
freaking
this-
on.
Okay, those swimming people literally lasted the 3 minutes it took for me to record this video. I guess the pool's not heated. Ready? Ha ha ha. I've got money. I will come back. All right, this is the Bayside Market up here. I was trying to find an ice machine. I'm assuming there's no free ice because I see a sign that says ice. That I bet.
Remember our mask escapade here?
Our mask escapade?
Yeah, remember that when we came? We were the only ones masked.
Yeah,
We were the only ones.
we were. Now no one is, so. Okay, I did not record inside of there because there's a bunch of people. It just has like, it's a very small convenience store. I did get a cold Dr. Pepper because I didn't want to buy a whole bag of ice. And then what was it called, honey? They gave us a menu, Pizza World. Apparently it's really, really, really good pizza.
Prices are not out of line at all. It's a 14-inch
14-inch
pizza.
pizza,
It's like, it ranges from 14 up to 25.
$14 to $25. That is really good.
So we're home.
I've seen several people carrying around pizza boxes, and when I was getting my Dr. Pepper, this older gentleman came in and said it was the best pizza he ever had last night. We already have food for today, but if we get rained out at Silver Dollar City tomorrow, we might come back and have some pizza.
We will be.
All right, so
'Cause I don't really want to drive back.
I don't know how much I'm going to record up here because I hear music. This is like a bouncy fun house. This is the park, and then there's a taco truck. And then there's a barbecue truck, but I don't think the barbecue is open till tomorrow. And I can definitely hear the music, so sorry. I will be turning off my phone, but you get the idea. Bouncy house for kids and a taco truck for adults.